Foval 200 watt travel adapter and power converter. This is the white version. They have a version in black. Nice pouch. Here are all the international adapters. Yep. And then looks like that's a European plug. All right, great. USB. Anyway, I got this because I'm doing interviews with subjects overseas, and I'm preparing kits, webcam, audio kits for conferencing, higher end video conferencing, conferencing and interviews that I can conduct. So part of the kit that I'm going to send is a power adapter kit, because I'm in America, and all of the accessories that I would use to power things are the American plug, the good old scared 3-prong, face 3-prong, and also USB. And so instead of getting whatever adapter I need for the country or region that I'm sending all these kits to, I decided to buy this, and I'm going to pack this into the kit. And then the person that is on the other, that's going to receive the kit, can power all of the equipment that I'm going to provide in the small kit. It's not heavy, it's not big things. That's why I don't need a bunch of adapters or more than this. It's usually just a camera or another accessory, and a lot of what I'm going to send these people are USB powered, which they can power themselves, but this has it all in there, and this gives me the option to pretty much send this anywhere. So that's why I got it. If I have any issues with this, I will do a follow-up video, but this looks exactly like what I want, and it's a decent size and weight. I like that it comes in a little pouch like this. Great.